Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the Captions feature in Windows 11. This feature makes your PC more accessible by automatically generating captions for audio and video on your computer. Whether you are watching a video, listening to audio, or attending an online meeting, captions will appear right on your screen. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Next, go to Accessibility from the left panel. Now, click on Captions. Here, you can turn on live captions with a simple switch. Once it's enabled, a small bar will appear at the top of your screen. You can also customize the caption style, change the font, size, and background color to match what's easiest for you to read. Anytime audio or video plays, captions will automatically show up in real time.
Have you ever drifted through the ocean letting the current do the work? Now imagine if that was your entire life. That's the story of the jellyfish. Jellyfish
The fastest way is by using the shortcut. Simply press Windows plus, Ctrl plus, L on your keyboard and captions will appear instantly. So that's how you use the captions feature in Windows 11. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below.
way before trees.